Hello everyone, take two sections from the front and then on one of the sides tie multiple braids out of it, on the other side add multiple rubber bands. Now taking each of the braids, add it in the different sections in the gaps of the ponytails that you have created. Join them in either side of the ponytail as such. Now take out the rest of the braids that you have created and join at the bottom. After adding hairspray, tie a ponytail out of the hair. Now take a section of this ponytail, tie a rubber band to it. Take the other section of the hair and then divide it, wrap it around the first section that you have created. Once again, continue to do this until you reach the base. Now taking each of the sides, stretch it out slightly using your fingers. Next, divide the hair into two sections. Taking one section of the hair, make two ponytails on either side and then add multiple rubber bands to each of these sides. Make multiple small sections accordingly. Slightly loosen these sections using your fingers as such. Puff them out and they should look a little something like this. Do this until you reach the bottom. Next, start off by tying a ponytail. Take a section of this ponytail and add a rubber band a little bit underneath it. Now pull the other section through it, lift it up and then tie it in place. Fold it out slightly. Now taking the rest of the hair, make a braid out of it. Make a fishtail braid out of it, that is divide the hair into two sections. Take small sections from either side and then make it interchange in the middle of these sections. After making them interchange in the middle, you may tie a rubber band at the bottom. This is what it should look like. Next, add some hairspray to the hair and then comb the hair in place. Divide the hair into two sections and then taking the bottom section, make two braids out of it and then join it to the top. As for the top, start off by tying a ponytail and then make a fishtail braid out of it. Divide the hair into two sections, taking two small sections from either side, make it interchange in the middle and then progress with the braid. Once you make the bottom, tie a rubber band to it and then roll it up into a bun, fasten it in its place using a big bow. Now comb the hair into place and then divide the hair into multiple sections as such. 6 to be precise. Make a braid out of the topmost section and then join it to the braid underneath it in the middle section, make a braid at the bottom and then roll it up. Thank you for watching.